welcome to Nasikes kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare tamarind juice, or if you like, ukwaju juice. The ingredients that I'm going to use are tamarind and half cup of sugar. Let's get to the next step. This step I'm going to add water. Those are 2 cups. I'm going to add another 2 cups, which will be 4 cups. So I'm adding another 2 cups. Then I'm going to add my tamarind, or if you like, it's called ukwaju. I'm going to add sugar. Then I'll let it cook and boil for about 15 minutes. Then it will be ready. So it's ready. I'm going to remove it and set it aside to cool. Then we'll get to the next step. After it has cooled down a bit, make sure your hands are clean. Then I'm going to do this so that I can remove every juice. It's very hot. If you want to add spices, you can add where at the point that I added sugar, that is the point where you add your spices. But for me, I wanted it natural. You can see how thick it is, and it's very, very yummy. You should try it and let me know how it turned out. I'm very sure you'll testify, yeah? So I'll continue pouring bit by bit. Here's our tamarind juice. I want my brother to taste it.
Wow, the juice is delicious, tasty, and very sweet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. You should try it out. Thank you, guys.